Profit and loss account, statement of
Profit and loss account.
Companies Act 2013. So from 13 onwards, we are following IFRS only. See, here we are not following any trading and not preparing trading and profit and loss account. Instead of that, we are preparing statement of profit and loss. That will include everything. So revenue from operation here, major income of companies sales only. Whatever income we are getting, majorly what?
Sales.
That we are getting. Revenue from
Operation.
related to sales only. If return is there, you subtract. Sales return, you subtract. Excise duty also you can subtract. Excise duty, subtract here also or here also. You have to take it. Here, sales less return. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Only one thing, sales less.
Returns.
Other income is what? Not related to business. Not related to
Business.
So example, rent received, commission received, whatever you write, whatever you received, that you write under.
Other incomes.
So now we got total income of a business, right?
Yes, sir.
Total income of a company we got. Now we need expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Expenditures. Profit, how we are getting? Income minus expense, right?
Yes, sir.
Income minus expenditure. So this is our income. So this is expenditure less expenses and that cost of material consumed. Whatever we are purchasing raw material, right? That we are using as manufacturing, right? Manufacture purpose. That we are writing here only. Cost of material purchase. Here also you subtract return. If any return is there, huh? Cost of material consumed. Changes in inventory. Difference between opening stock and
Closing stock.
difference between opening stock and
Closing stock.
so if opening stock more, we paid less, more, right? I'm telling, for example, opening stock, assume that 10,000. Closing stock, 8,000. See, 10,000 paid amount, right?
Yes, sir.
Closing stock, what we have at the end. That is our income, right?
Yes, sir.
10,000 opening stock, debit side, 10 minus 8. Expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
10 minus 8. So difference is 2,000, that is expenditure. Paid more, right? This what we have less only. If it is 12,000, then income, right?
Yes, sir.
Here we are adding what? Sorry, subtracting expenditures. If it is a minus, that shows income. If difference is positive, that is expense. If difference is negative, that it shows minus only. You subtract, huh? So because we are adding our expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what. Income is our income. Sorry. And negative is income. Negative is what?
Income.
If we subtracted. If we are getting negative balance. So this is changes in
Inventory.
employee benefit expense, those who are working, salary, labor, wages, whatever. So in trading and profit and loss account, we are separating. Labor is trading account, salary is profit and loss account, right?
Yes, sir.
Here we are not separating. Whatever paid to employee, whether office or whether workers. Whatever paid to employee. Salary, labor, wages, PF, bonus, OT, whatever, right? So whatever paid to employee, that we are writing under employee benefit expenditure. Finance cost, we took loan, right?
Yes, sir.
We took loan as a capital. For that we are paying what? Interest. Paid amount we are writing, right? Expense is what? Paid amount. So paid minus. So debenture also we are receiving. For that we are paying what?
Interest.
Loan also we are paying interest. You write under finance cost. Depreciation and amortization. Constant reducing the value of fixed asset. Constant reducing the value of fixed asset. Called depreciation. Reducing the value of intangible assets. Called what? So next,
Other expenses.
so many expenditure, right? There are lakhs of expenditure. You write under what?
Other expenses.
So you know how to bifurcate this. The rest is all you write here only. Any doubt you write here. Getting my point? Any doubt? Whatever doubt you are getting now, on that where you are writing?
Other expenses.
For example, discount, allowed commission, carriage involved, but whatever, all those things you write under here what?
Other
Other expenditures. So total B we got, that is what? Total paid amount we got, right? This is received, this is
Paid.
A minus B will get what? Profit before tax. If we subtract tax, we get profit after tax. Next also form is there, but I am not writing. Majorly they are not giving that only. extra income in extraordinary items that you add. They are telling that one. Add less. Add means what? Expense. Less means what?
Income.
Add means what? Expense. Whatever add income, that means expense only. That you do. This is the main thing. You will cover 99%. Follow. So anyone read now? That question? Anyone read? Stand up and read.